Hey guys, this is a Jab industrial made by Union. It's model A-1 something, I can't remember the suffix. It's given to me by a good friend of mine who knows I love unique industrials. And I'm very excited about it. It's in kind of rough shape, but it cleaned up okay, and I could probably clean it up a little better. Hold on a second, Abby. Can you move for a second so I can go get the... Abby's helping me with the controls. I'm going to try to get a shot of the label. I can't see it, but maybe you can. Yeah, it says Union on it. 1.2 amps. Model A1 something. Okay. Abby's going to work the controls for us. So can you start with number one? Yep. Okay, that did not move the fan. You want to take it to 2? Still didn't move the fan. You want to take it to 3? Still didn't move the fan. You want to take it to 4? Really? That didn't move the fan? I thought for sure it'd start on 4. I'll take it to 5.
6.
It doesn't want to move, huh?
7.
7 started.
I'm going to try back on 6 maybe.
No, it'll stall.
It might not. I mean, she's got a good point. If it's stiff bearings, sometimes.
Let's see if
It's funny because it seemed I thought it was running.
Stalled.
Yeah,
Okay.
I thought it was running a little slow.
It's on 7.
What is that? Oh, it's this little thing. What's that? 8 or 7?
7.
I thought it was running a little slow when we tested it on high, so I pulled the cap and tested it, and the cap tested good. But sometimes the cap can test good and still be bad, so maybe it has a bad cap.
8.
What was it? What was the current draw on 7? What was the meter reading on 7?
The meter reading is 0.35.
That's for 8 though. What was it on 7, Abby? Do you remember?
It is on 7 right now. And
Oh, okay.
0.35.
Take it back. This is 7. Take it back to 6.
It's at
Daddy, Can you
0.3.
stop it? Stop it.
No.
Stop it there.
Stop it by hand. And that's 6. Yeah.
That's on 7.
That's 7.
Yeah. It worked last time.
Yeah. It's kind of unpredictable. Makes me think the capacitor is failing.
I guess you gotta get a little push then.
Yeah. Could have stiff bearings too. Either of those things would cause this.
0.4 basically.
9. This is 9.
Okay.
0.44.
10.
Okay. Let's see. Let me get a reading. And then go with 10.
How many microfarads was it on 10? By the way, if you can't tell already, Andy and Metal Pete are here. And this is Metal Pete was probably the most excited out of all of us about this Jab. He couldn't take his hands off of it the entire time we've been here. Kept picking it up and was clearly very excited to hang it. And then when I said it was time to do it, he just took it and just bolted up the stairs. And before I knew it, it was assembled. Took him like a minute. So don't get between Metal Pete and the fan he likes. What's the current reading on this one?
43. We put it up to 10 and then put it back to 0.
So this is 10.
Yep.
Plus.
And it's 43. Okay.
Now,
It's on 10 plus.
so now add 11 basically. Yep, you're now at 11. So we are now at 0.47.
12.
Mm-hmm.
13.
Okay.
Let's get a reading on the meter.
I can hear a little noise.
Yeah, it makes a little... There's a little noise. I can't tell if it's something... So it seems like a metal piece vibrating, like something metal is loose.
14.
0.58.
15.
6.
16. 18. 19.
You're at, let's see, where are you? Are you at 18 or 19? Oh, no, you're at 18.
It's an 18.
No, you said 19, I thought you were.
No, it's an 18.
Okay.
Never argue with a 9-year-old. You won't win.
19.
Now you're in. And we are at 0.68, so we're getting up there.
20.
20 is 0.7, so we're almost at high. You want to take it to 21?
21.
It's at 0.72 or 0.7.
Make sure it doesn't go higher than 0.8.
Yep.
22. 23.
0.73,
24.
74,
25.
74.
26.
It's at 5.
30 is 0.77, 76. Let's just try 40 and just see what it does. 40 is 7.9.
So we're
Then high is 0.80.
so you're practically really close.
Yeah. I don't know. It's not like it doesn't go fast, but I feel like it should go faster. It's moving a good amount of air. I just assumed that, like the wood-bladed ones, it would really, really fly. Oh, Metal Pete's doing the airflow test. We'll let him do it first.
Oh yeah. I can feel it down here. Like maybe a little bit closer and
You're not at my vantage point though.
No.
I go back to where that black tornado heater is.
where like
Right there, yeah.
oh really?
Yeah.
I can't feel anything from here. Can't feel anything.
Well, those blades are curved, so the air shows up in interesting places. You feel me?
Oh yeah.
Well, let me trade places with you, Metal Pete.
Yeah, I can feel something.
Let's see. It is 48 inch too, so it wouldn't be fair to compare it to
56.
Yeah. It's got a little something back here. Yeah, it's definitely moving some air. Okay, Abby, you know how to turn it off? Just turn everything off. The dial. Here, now can you do me a favor? Can you hold my camera and just have it on the fan while the fan is spinning down? I'm going to hook up a different control that I didn't think about before. This is a type of control that would have came with a fan like this. It's a 5-speed quick control.
I see it.
So I'm going to hook that up.
Okay.
We can test it with that. And
You got something sticky on your phone. Like if the liquid dried up, kind of.
really?
Yeah.
I'll take a look at it in a second, okay?
Okay.
Let me hook this up first. And then either you or Metal Pete can operate this control. You guys
I'll
can fight
operate
over
it.
What'd you say?
I'll operate it.
So where do you see something sticky?
Oh, sorry. Right there, kind of.
I don't see it, but I'll look at it after the video.
Okay.
It's a quick spin down, leading me to believe that the bearings are stiff.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn that, the one that says high. Just turn that, okay. Turn the one that says high. Now that's low with the 5-speed control. It's drawing 0.37.
Okay. Okay, so 5 is actually low.
Yep.
Huh. 0.37, yeah.
Do I move this?
No.
Nope. Now you're doing that one back there. You see that
White
white
one.
one back there?
Do I move this one up?
Yep. It's gonna be kind of hard.
What do you mean? Turn it this way or this way?
To the left.
It is.
There we go. That's 4.47. Almost sounds like a loose lamination buzz.
Okay, I'm going to 3.
Okay, 3.
Alright, this is hard.
Yeah, 0.56.
5.
Okay, you can do it again. Is that 2?
At 0.6.
6-1.
Okay, now you can, let's let it get up to speed. Oh, nope. Okay.
Oh, that one. Oh, do.
Which one are we at now?
We're at 2, which is 0.6.
Okay, turn it back to 1.
It goes a little over than it's supposed to be. It's supposed
That's
to
fine.
be 3.
Okay.
That control. Oh, actually, no, it's dropping.
Yeah, just start it's higher. Okay. So now let's now it's time for the knob you turn gradually. Remember that one?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Should we? I think we already did a spin down. Do we do one?
I try to spin down
So I turn this
every
all the way
time.
back to 5?
Doesn't matter. No, just stay at 1.
Okay.
I said doesn't matter, and that's wrong. It should stay at 1 because it's still wired in series.
So I turn it this way or this way?
To the left.
This way?
Nope. Do you know what counterclockwise means?
Counterclockwise, it goes like this, so it goes this way.
The clock would go turn that way, so you're going to turn the counter to the way the clock would go.
Oh, okay.
The way the fan is going.
That's true. The fan is going counterclockwise.
Yeah. You know,
Good point, Metal Pete.
that's the one thing about these fans.
No, it's going clockwise.
No, it's going counterclockwise. Okay, you want to turn it up gradually?
Very slow.
It's not doing anything.
I know, you gotta be patient.
What? Am I going too fast?
No.
I take up to 7 microfarads before it turns.
Yeah. I'm still not. Okay, there we go. What number is it at?
It is at 0.3.
Okay, that seems about right.
Just a tiny.
Okay, what's it at now? Oh, it stopped.
Yeah. Oh, you went down at 0.27.
So?
So go back up a very, very little bit.
I did.
Oh.
I'll keep it going. Go to Daddy.
Buzzing loudly. What amperage is it at?
Oh, next at 0.37.
Is this point?
Yeah, I think there's either an opening in the rotor or there's some loose laminations because it.
0.36.
Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of flopping. Yeah.
Can you see that, Andy? Can you see what you're doing?
Oh yeah, he flipped.
So he's got the little screen thing down there.
Yeah, he can turn it any which
Okay.
way he wants.
So now, since it's already kind of at about 3 or what is that? At about
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, I would turn it to noon,
Which is straightforward, like how you.
and then we'll leave it at noon for a little bit. And let the fan spin at noon for a little bit.
Okay, we are reading 0.53.
Then I'd turn it to around 10 o'clock. And we're reading what now?
0.6.
And then I'd turn it all the way up. And you know what I forgot to have done in the past 2 videos that I've been promising to do in all my videos is a 0 to high.
Oh yeah.
So turn it off. Okay, now turn the switch that says nope, the one above the knob. Yep, turn that. Nope, not that one, the other one, the one next to it. Yeah, turn that one. Now we're gonna wait for it to stop. I've been forgetting. I've been wanting to do going from off to high because I've had a lot of requests for that. I didn't do it with the Evergo. I didn't do it with the 1886, but we can do it with the jab. Well, that's quite the stretch there.
I haven't stretched all day.
I've seen you stretch earlier today, so I don't think that's true.
Okay.
I think that's a fallacy. It's just sweat on the screen and condensation. There's nothing stuck on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just because we touch it with our sweaty fingers and it's hot up here and stuff like that happens. It seems like the spin down is getting a little better as we continue to test it. Maybe I'm imagining that. Okay.
Well,
So just
sit down.
okay. Just hit the button that says high. Yep, just that one. Yeah, there's definitely a loose lamination in there, something.
What's that?
Inside, just the motor needs to be varnished.
Oh, okay.
You have to open up the motor and varnish it. I probably wouldn't bother, but if I wanted it to run perfectly, I would need to, because it's buzzing loudly when it's in a certain position.
And yeah, right here I can actually feel the air, like right at this point.
Okay, you want to shut it off, Abby? No, that was fine. You can leave it where it is. And that's, as soon as it's done spinning, that'll be the end of this video. And we got one more industrial to do, and then we might be out of time. We'll have to see.
Yep.
'Cause what time you got to go to work, Metal Pete?
7 in the morning.
That's pretty early, and you got to drive back to Milwaukee.
Yeah.
Well, I think Abby and I will be here tomorrow doing more of this.
Yeah, and I have community band practice tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which means I go to my high school to practice.
So you can get some shots of the Airmasters, or
Actually,
contacts, or whatever they are.
Actually, no, those were at the middle school.
Oh.
Now, I can actually get a shot of the Daytons in the gym.
Well, that would be cool.
They're caged Daytons. And then there's a newer gym that was built a few years back. I think they got either gold or silver lines. They got the cages that are rounded on the ends, and they're very smaller hold. So I think that comes with the EnviroFan accessories.
That is the Protecto Guard. I'm going to stop this video, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a bit.